Hi there. I'm going to just take a couple minutes here to show you how I set up my area for when I paint with my horses. It's very simple. I have a folding lawn chair, which is very portable. My project that I'm working on a clipboard that opens up and carries my paints. A little bit of paper towel there if I need it. And a little spot here for the paintbrushes. Mason jar with the water. Hey, you little honey. My little helper. And I use my mounting block as a table. Very handy. And I use this whip as an extension of my arm in case the horses get a little too close. So I hope you enjoyed and get out there and have some painting fun in nature.